Hello friends, my name is Laksh. In this video, I will introduce you to cloud computing. Believe me, it has nothing to do with the clouds in the sky, rains, stars, etc. So what is cloud? Cloud is nothing but a bunch of computers that is ready to rent its computation power and storage. You can consider computation power as the CPU of your personal computer and storage as the hard disk or SSD of your personal computer. Let's suppose you are a businessman and your team has developed a software like Facebook, YouTube, or any other online game or any other similar software. You want to test like if this software will work in the market or not. What you need to do? You have to buy few computers. You have to install these softwares in these computers. You have to make sure these computers are always connected to electricity. You have to make sure that these computers are always connected to internet. You may even have to employ engineers to manage these computers. This concept of managing software and hardware on your own site is called on premises. Here in this example, your whole focus of doing business shifts to managing these computers, and the main purpose is itself is defeated. So what is the solution? Solution is cloud computing. You simply need to go to any cloud service provider. You can ask them, hey, can you rent me these two computers? It does not mean that you have to bring these two computers to your home. Then how will you access these two computers? They will provide you one link. This link they will provide you. You can access these computers through this link from any part of the world remotely. And the best part is you have to pay rent only for the time when you are using it. Like when you are not using it, you don't have to pay. And you don't have to invest the big initial amount of capital in buying the computers like on premises. In on premises, you have invested a huge capital for buying these computers. Let's suppose your business does not go well. These computers are waste for you. But like here in the case of cloud, you are renting these computers. When you are using it, you paying rent. When you don't need, you simply return it and you don't have to pay anymore. And since these computers are situated in the servers of cloud service provider, all the maintenance activity responsibility is of cloud service provider. Means they will employ engineers to manage your computers. They will make sure that your computer is always up and running. They will make sure that your computer is always connected to internet. They will make sure that your computer is always connected to electricity. They will make sure that your data is not getting lost. Even in the case of accidents like fire and natural disasters like earthquake and flood. With time you realize that the software you have developed is being used less during night and more during day. Means more and more people are using your software during daytime and less people are using during night time. So what you can do, you can scale up your computers. Like you can rent 3 computers during daytime by paying some extra rent, and again scale down during night time when you don't have to pay extra rent. Like during night time you are paying less rent only. This is what we call horizontal scaling. You can even scale up your computer vertically. Means you can increase the CPU computation power of your computer during daytime and storage of your computer during daytime by paying some extra rent, and again scale down during night time, and during night you have to pay less rent. Now that we have seen some examples of cloud computing, but cloud computing does not mean that you always have to decide what should be the RAM of your computer, what should be the computation power of your computer, what should be the operating system of your computer, etc. You cloud service providers also provide ready to use ready to use softwares which you can directly log in and use. This is what we generally call SaaS. Its full form is software as a service. Like you can directly log in this software and use it. You don't have to worry about where are the computers on which it is installed, how it is connected to electricity and all those headaches. You just have to log in and use it. Some of the examples are Gmail, Zoom, and all the social media websites like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, etc. Some of the popular cloud service providers are AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, iCloud, IBM Cloud. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe.